Hi.
Hi.
Do you like milk?
Yes, and juice.
Oh, you have it now? Okay,
Yeah.
it's tiffin time now over. We will go quickly to one story time session.
But you want to say, I'll show you something, simple transport.
Okay, let me finish the story section. Then you will show me all the transport that we just read.
I have how many? I have six. Transport.
Okay, after the story session, you will show me. Okay.
Of course.
Okay.
Let's-
I will tell you one story. The story is
A monkey and a crocodile.
The story is a clever monkey and
Clever
greedy.
monkey and clever crocodile.
No, it's a story of a clever monkey and greedy cats. Okay.
What? What's the meaning? That story. What's the meaning? That.
Can you show me how do monkey do? Oh yes, you do like that. And how cat do? Cat how do kya?
This.
Meow, meow, meow. Do like that, na? Okay. Once upon a time, two cats. Remember it their name. I will ask you at the end of the story.
I know car spelling. C-A-T.
Yes,
Cat.
it's good. You remember the spelling, C-A-T, cat. But now you have to remember the cat's name. There are two cats. One is Pussy, another is Tussie.
What's the mean? Pussy and Pussy.
These are their names. Okay, these are two cats. They are walking in a jungle. They found a piece of bread.
Bread means
Yes, they found a piece of bread.
then eat.
Then fast, what happened to you know? Pussy saw the bread lying on the ground. He said, Tussie, look at the bread. Then very quickly Tussie go and grab that bread. Then Pussy said, this is my bread because I saw you first. Then Tussie said, no, I went and grab it first, so this is my bread. Then they are fighting so much. Then they saw a monkey. Okay.
Monkey.
Yes.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
They saw a monkey, and monkey name is Miku.
Miku.
Yes, Miku the monkey. He
Miku the monkey.
came and said, what happened to both of you? Why you both are fighting? Then they said the story. They said then Pussy said, I saw the bread and I told the Tussie to see, but Tussie went and grabbed it, and he's saying that it is his bread, it's bread, and he sees not sharing it with me. Then monkey said, Miku the monkey said, I have an idea. Show me the bread. Let me divide it in equal halves. Then he was clever. Monkey is very clever. So he divide the bread in two halves, but not equal. He made one bread piece big and other bread piece small.
Not very
Then
tiny.
he showed this to Tussie and Pussy. Then Pussy and Tussie said, this is not equal. This is not equal. We want equal parts. Then monkey said, okay, I have a idea. I will take a bite. Then I will make the bread equal. Then he started eating one bite. Then he saw again to them. They said, no, it's not equal. It's not equal still. Then he started eating more. Like that he ate and finished the whole bread. Then said, now? Then they said, what did you do with your bread? Tussie and Pussy asked the Miku, the monkey. Then monkey said, yes, I finished the whole bread. You were fighting because you both were fighting because of the bread. I ate them. So now you should stop fighting. Then they said, they became very sad because Miku the monkey ate their bread. Look, now I complete the story. Now I will ask you some questions. Okay?
What's the main question, ma?
Yes, a question means I will check how much you know about this story. Now tell me what were the names of the two cats?
Pussy and Pussy.
Pussy and Tussie. Very good. Now tell me where did the cat goes? Where did the cats go? They are walking in the
Jungle.
Yes, they are walking in the jungle. Very nice. Now tell me, what is the name of the monkey? Miku.
Miku.
His name is Miku.
Miku. I don't know that word is Miku.
Yes, was Miku is clever or not?
Miku is clever.
Yes, Miku is very clever.
Then what? What's
Now,
next?
can you tell me what Miku said to them, to the cat? Anyone?
I'm fighting. I will do it a half and make it, but I cannot make it a equal.
Stop fighting. I will divide the bread into equal halves so that you can eat together equal. But he was clever, so he didn't make it equal.
Because he didn't have a knife.
Yes, no, he was clever.
Yeah.
He was clever because he made one big and one small. Then Tussie and Pussy said, "No, this is big. Big one is mine. Small one is his." Then he said, "No, I will make it equal. How can I make equal? I will eat some like that." He eat. Then he try eating more. Then one becomes small, one become large. Like that, it's happened. So it's never be equal. Then he finished whole the bread. So who was the intelligent? Miku.
Miku. Because he eat.
Okay. How the monkey jump in the forest? Yay! Very
And it
nice.
can jump like a frog.
Yes.
Jump,
Okay.
jump,
Now,
jump.
okay, we finished the story session. Now you want to show me some transports. Can you show me?
Of course.
Okay, please show.
Look.
Now tell what is this? Give me. What is this?
It's a garbage truck.
Is this which transport? Land, water, or air?
It's land
Very
transport.
nice. And
A fire truck.
ये कैमराटा मामा साइड रे ना योर साइड रे
तुम्हारा साइड रे.
okay it's a fire truck. It's also a land transport. Then show me. What is this?
It's a jeep.
GPJ land transport or air transport
Land
or water transport?
Land transport.
Yes, very nice. Yes, sport. And train is a land transport too because it runs on the track on the land.
Yeah.
Okay, you now know the story of greedy cats and clever monkey.
Yeah,
And
but-
note about transport too.
Yeah, but ma'am,
Tell.
because take care of my new garbage truck, okay? Take care of it.
Okay. Okay, see you tomorrow, okay?
See you,
Bye
bye.
for today. Okay?
Bye.